it's just some sharing. Okay, so come back to this first. So for the pre-open market, what we're going to do here is you can use this if let's say sometimes if let's say you want to sell some shares into the market, and then during the matching time, or you're too late to wait, you can wait for the matching time to do this, so that you can sell. So how you can enter into this, you can see right now the buy queue is actually, let me show you the buy queue. That one is too small for you to look at it. So we can see the buy queue is the highest buy queue here. Someone bid at 405. So 405 over here. So how this thing works is the matching at the price of TO price of 390 is whoever comes in first will get the 390 price, or whoever bid the highest price will get the TO price, or the bid the lowest price. Okay, you get the TO price, highest price for in this case. Highest price will get the TO price. So what usually I will do is that I'll just look at it at 5 seconds before the market open. I'll key in somewhere maybe higher than 405, so maybe 410, maybe 415. So when the time when it match, so I'm the highest one. So even though I bid at higher than 405, 40 cents and a half, I will still get it at the TO price of 39 cents right now. Okay, so I'm not paying at 41 cents, I'm paying at 39 cents because I just rush in just to get that shares. Okay, so this is how this theoretical opening works. So even though if let's say right now you key in somewhere, or you want to sell, for example, you put it another way around, you want to sell right now. So if you want to sell, you can send in the orders before the market opens, maybe a few seconds before the market's open, you send in the orders, and then you get the, what you call it, the you get the so you get done, you sell it to you first, because you are putting it at the lowest price, because the lowest price will actually get, what you call that, the match first. All right, so I'm not going to talk much right now. I'm going to continue that later on, because within less than 1 minute the market is going to open. So why I do it 5 seconds before the market open to get this price is because I want to avoid to see any of the volume or orders are being cancelled off. Okay, so I don't want to see any cancellation of orders. So that's why put it at 5 seconds before the market open. So that is much more safer way to look at it, right? So right now we have 10 seconds left to market open right now. So okay, 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, no withdrawal of any of it. No withdrawal of volume, so that's why right now TO price start at 40 cents. Okay, 40 and a half right now, 40 and 10 right now. So I'm not going to look into the charts anymore. I'll need to look into the quote movement to know better of how is the transaction is like. So right now it's 410. So that just now if we are able to get that price in the morning, okay, you should be getting at 40 cents. So right now just half ticks of profit. So looking at the price right now is 40 cents over here, but there's no 405, even though they're moving up. The 405, they are not refilling any at the buy side. Usually this is actually telling us that they have not much intention to push the price up higher. Okay. So what we are looking at is all these transaction differences, adding buy sell queues, okay, and all these transactions. How is the transaction coming in? How is it telling us that they have the intention, or they don't have the intention to push the price up anymore? So usually if let's say they don't refill this, is don't have much of the intention yet. So right now the price has already moved up for a bit. oops, 405, 410 right now. So they need to refill back to, usually I see they need to refill back to about the same as the rest of the buy sell queue. Then usually that is telling us that they still have the intention to move up. Okay. So 405 right now, refill up to 850 so far. So we can see that they clear 410. So 410 right now, they need to refill that back. So okay, they already cleared 415, but it's bounced back down. So 420 right now. So 2 cents of profit that we can see from here. Paper profit. So don't get too excited about it because it's just a paper profit. So 1.5 ticks of it. So wait. I need to check the selling pressure of it. There's too much of multitasking. 415 throw down 130, 140. So we don't see any of the refill before that when it goes up to 415. So just a short term of price throwing down a little bit. So 405 refill back. So right now they clear 410. So 410, let's see whether they will move the price up higher. So the highest right now, it moved up to 42 cents. Okay. So we just, right now, we don't apply the way of taking few bids and then exit. Okay, we always look for the right timing for the exit. So when they have no intention to push the price up higher, then we're going to do the exit. All right. So let's see. Oh, the other ones that we were looking at is moving up also. Usually this kind of market is going to be like this. You see a lot of price moving up in the morning, and then in the afternoon you don't see much. Okay, 410. They are taking 415 slowly. So whenever I see they are taking slowly, it's like taking like few 3-second ones, 2-second ones, which means that one transaction actually comes in, one transaction actually comes in. These are usually telling us that they are starting to attract buyers with this kind of buying transactions. Because if they clear it, they want to clear it up, they mark up the price, they will clear it within 1 second, like what you see just now. Pop, suddenly from 405 jump up to 420, right? So when these big boys, they want you to see it, they will make it obvious to show it to you. They'll make it very obvious to show it to you. So that's why when you see something that is so obvious, like for example, it appeared on the top active list. So when it's on the top active list, then you know that, okay, because they want to show it to you. So that is a lot of people would like to watch, to look at that list, and then based on that to look into any of the stocks, because they think that that is when there is a lot of buyers, they thought there's a lot of buyers coming in, which is not. This transaction can be just like, left, right, left, right, left, right, from left hand to right hand, buy, left hand buy from right hand buy from left hand. So that's why I have to be very careful of that. So 420 is clear. You can see all this done within 1 second, and then, but they don't refill back. They don't park it at the buy side. So expected they are not going to move up higher to 425. So 415 you can see up to refill up to 1000 plus, and then seems like they will start to clear the 420 very soon. But 420 after they clear, if they don't park back at the buy side again, then it's not going anywhere. All right, 420 clear, but it's not back to the buy side again. Okay, now it's at the buy side. So let's see whether they can stay here. But there's a withdrawal at 415. Withdraw orders of 415. Okay, if they ding dong like this, I guess that's it here for me. So you can't, whenever you look into day trading, you can't just queue to buy, or you cannot queue to sell. All right, there's nothing you cannot queue to sell. If let's say you see that the big boys have no intention to move up higher anymore, if you don't execute the selling at that time, then you will just get trapped inside. Okay, so I'm just gonna stop this. All right. So pre-open market wise, we look into it. Before the market open, we are able to get the price at 40 cents, and then right now we are able to take it. If let's say you sell it right now, then it will be at 415, so which is 1.5 cents. So you can see if you miss that out, then you have no chance to sell at 415, and everyone is selling at 410. So 410 is still selling and selling and selling. So that's why I say you can't wait. Okay, you can't wait. You can't think like, oh, why not I queue at a higher price, and then so you can get a higher profit. So this is different. Okay, I mean, I don't recommend you guys to do the same thing for short-term trading or maybe mid-term swing as well, because but when you know how the market works, how these big boys, they move the price up higher, so you know that roughly when is the price peak, so you will not queue at that price. One of the things is because you know that these big boys, they are not going after the best price, they are going after the best timing when the retail investors are coming in, so that they can actually sell it on the same spot before this retail investor actually withdraw their orders. So that's why it's about timing. So that's the thing here. So it's, if let's say you are looking at it, you need to practice this. Okay, the mindset is basically the mindset. You need to practice your mindset to, in order for you to do this. So yeah, you have to, give me 1 minute. Okay, so yeah, where was I? So you can't queue. You basically, you just can't queue there, and then you expect the price to move up higher, because you're not the person that is controlling the price. You're not the person that is going to push the price up higher. So you cannot you cannot park your price at a higher point and then throw it wait people to buy from you. So once you see that there's something is not right, they have no intention to push that price up higher, then you need to throw it down to them. Okay, all right. So basically right now, how many minutes today? Okay, 10 minutes, 415. So which is 1.5 ticks of profit over here. Actually, on the other side also, I'm looking into another one that actually makes about 1 ticks of profit. So if you want to know what are the ones that the trades of it, all right, so remember to follow us on our Facebook page, all right, and also our Instagram, all right, Instagram. We'll post it there for the story, so you know that, okay, how does it look like. So this is how day trading is like. So you can see most of the time when I'm talking, I can't really multitask it, so I need to watch this, and then especially when you're doing 2 stocks at one time, so it's very difficult for it. So it's why I can do it this one, because I know that another one, the stock on the other side is actually the stocks that is moving slowly, so it doesn't really move up fast and down, so I can actually time for the exit, so I can focus into this one here first. So that's why I can, can do this kind of multitasking. All right, so that's it here for today. So we have a little bit of profit, so we can go for nasi lemak with ayam goreng, so with teh ice. All right, and remember, if you like this session, how we demonstrate the day trading, give us a like, share this out to your friends, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our Facebook page. And I'll see you guys again in the next round, which is on next week, Monday morning again. Thank you very much. See you guys. Bye-bye.